trying to make it jiggly slime. Sorry, I get confused sometimes. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make it jiggly slime. So you gotta grab some water. So I'll be back. So I added some soap to my water. But yeah, my water's natural. Just because of the bubbles, don't think I added something else. No, my container had soap. So yeah, if you want to add a little bit of soap, that's good. Tide will be the best also. So let's put this to the side. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to take out my slime. And I'm going to start adding little by little my water. So that's enough for me. Also, I want to add just a little bit of Tide. Yeah. Okay. So when you guys see the consistency, when it starts like to get natural and starts getting out all of the food coloring, that means that's good. But if it doesn't really get out the food coloring, it's just okay. If you want to add some food coloring, like change the color, you could. I'm just going to add 3 drops. So I'll be back when my slime is fully dissolved. Okay, it's almost dissolved. It's already dissolved, but it's jiggly and sticky. So because I was using my measuring cup, I am gonna grab my spoon and put 1.5 of Tide. So, okay, here we have our... I'll be back. Okay, so my slime is already pretty jiggly. You can see it. And I really didn't use that much water and it turned into a lot of slime. But because we made our slime jiggly, you just take off the excess and you will see that some water might come out. So yeah, I love my slime, so I'm going to show it to you guys. Pretty jiggly and it expanded like really fast. Yeah, I'm just going to add more Tide and it will be really jiggly and really awesome. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my second or third video that I'm really making on my channel. Please subscribe so I can do giveaways, challenges, and more stuff. Also, please subscribe to my blog channel. I am going to make a blog channel. So yeah, thank you